So you just got your science test back and you've decided that you're going to throw it in the bin. Stop. This is part 2 of 6 things you need to make sure you do when you get your science test back. So by now you should have re-attempted the questions that you got wrong using your notes, using your classwork, using your syllabus, using your textbook. So the 4th thing that you're going to do is you're going to get the mark scheme and you're going to check the question that you re-attempted. Make sure you pay attention to what it says in the mark scheme and you check and correct your answer. Repeat this process for every question you got wrong. So the 5th thing you're going to do is you're going to get a blank piece of paper or your notebook and you're going to write down all the questions you answered incorrectly. Then flip that piece of paper over and on the other side of the paper you're going to write down the answer to that question, but make sure you're using the mark scheme and what you corrected. So you're probably thinking, why is she making me do this? It's so long. So here's the thing. Now you know that these are the topics that you struggle with. These are the questions that you weren't sure how to answer properly. You've now not only just identified your gaps in your knowledge, but you also know how to improve, what to do better next time. So the last thing that you're going to do is a couple of days after, on the weekend, you're going to open up this notebook and you're going to actually attempt these questions that you wrote down. Now when you attempt these questions, you're not going to use your notebook, you're not going to use your textbook, you're not going to use the mark. See if you actually now know how to answer this question properly, and if you don't, you need to go back and repeat this again. You might need to go back and review this topic, or leave your topic in the comments and I'll try my best to help.